Hey, let me show you how we can fix this 10 seconds always on display on any Xiaomi or Redmi and Poco smartphone. And this is not this method when we turn on the system optimization, because with this method some features of your phone will not work properly. So we have to start by opening the Google Play Store, and I can highly recommend you to use this application, Movies Edge, AOD and the Edge Lights. So we have to install this one and now open after it will be downloaded. Now we will have to grant all of those permissions. Over here, search with the Movies Edge, click on it and select allow display over other apps, then go back to the application. And now we have to go for AOD. You can pick the theme that you like. In my case, so I would like to get this theme. We can even edit this one. You can change clock size, colors of minutes, hours, and you have to click apply. Now we have to go back from this one and we have to change the settings of the display. So select this always on display and you have to grant another permission. So click here, go to the other permissions, click on the home screen shortcuts, select enable, go back, show on the lock screen, select go back, open new windows while running, select and go back twice. I mean 3 times actually. Then make sure that you turn it on, select when to show, so always. You can even increase brightness of the always on display and change this option AOD timeout for never. And if you have the battery saver turned on, I will recommend you to set never also. There is some other options. I can recommend you to enable this one, burn in protection, so it will shift pixels, the AOD elements. Now we can go back from this one and go for automatic start. From this screen we have to select Movies Edge. Now it will be visible over here. Then go back. Make sure that you already select your screen one more time, that is applied. And now when you lock the screen, as you can see, we can find our always on display and it will be here forever, not only for the 10 seconds. Let me know what you think about this method. I hope you find it useful.